next thing is that things when we design in the Canva or the to remember in Photoshop. So if you're designing in Canva, so then you should, or even Photoshop. So first of all, you use the text, less text, more graphics. This is a principle. Because of today we are no more because the humans are likely to see graphics rather than reading and something text. This is the basic psychology because the thing we in our DNA we are lazy. So that's why we are laziness in our DNA. That's the thing. So the less text, more graphic. Rule number one, and rule number two is the you can use the icons in your list images or product listing images. So the icons you can download on any website called flat icons, and there's a multiple bundles of free website. You can just Google it and you can download the icons from it. So this is I can use in Canva or even in Photoshop. So if you're designing, if you don't know Photoshop, then you can design in Canva. And Canva, you can use a product listing with templates, and you can redesign the templates if you have enough time. If you don't have enough time, then you can hire a professional for who can design in Canva or even in Photoshop or any other software.